Hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. Today I'm going to be working on fall decor. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my wood pumpkin from Dollar Tree and trace out the shape of it on my scrapbooking paper. I chose to use this script writing. I like the neutral color tones in it. I used some of the glue tape to glue it down. It seems to work a lot better than the Mod Podge because you don't have any of the wrinkles. And then you'll just want to trim off the excess. And then I took some of my rope twine and tied around the stem. I tied several strings around there to kind of make it kind of thick. And then I decided just to do some kind of like fun string art design. And you can kind of wrap this around however you want to. I just decided to do kind of like a crisscross on mine, just for something different. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my little wood beads and glue around the edges of my pumpkin. And then I decide to take some of the larger beads and have them resemble the leaves coming around the stem of the pumpkin. This was a fun and unique technique to use decorating the pumpkin. I just wanted to have something a little bit different, and it kind of has a Scandinavian farmhouse feel. And I just love the neutral tones. Now next I decided to take some of the small little pumpkins that I had gotten from Dollar Tree and do the same technique to them. Now I did decide to go back and add the little wood blocks from Dollar Tree to the back of each one of the pumpkins for them to stand up on their own. And look how cute they turned out. Now in our second DIY, I made these 3-tiered wood crates, and they're going to be perfect for the coffee bar. I took 3 of the wood crates that I had purchased at Dollar Tree, and at first I thought I was going to glue them together with the little blocks, and then you'll see I decided to use the paint sticks that I purchased at Lowe's, and I think you can get a pack of these for like 98 cents. Now I'm going to glue 3 sticks on each side. And this is really neat how this design turns out. Once I made this, I realized that you could use it anywhere in the house. I'm going to probably put mine on the coffee bar area, but it would look really great in your bathroom to put your cotton balls and Q-tips and You could do lots of different things with this. And it was so simple to put together, and it's actually really sturdy. Now I did use the hot glue on this. You could also use the wood glue for a more permanent hold. Now I do start painting mine with the gray chalk paint, but you could paint it any color that you like. That's just what happens to go with my home decor. I definitely think I'll be making a few more of these for different things in my home. And I will say that painting it, I probably should have painted it before I glued it together. It was a little hard to get down on the inside of the boxes. And you can see how cute it's coming out. It's going to be a charming little farmhouse piece. I've got a few more designs that I want to create with these boxes in upcoming videos. Now you could take your black magic marker and go around the edges to kind of give that dark look, and you could also brush some white paint over it. There's lots of different things that you could do. Now I got these little wood discs from Michael's. You can get a pack of these. They're about $3 or $4, and they have all different sizes. They have the oval and the round, and I think they even have like a teardrop shape. I decided to paint mine white to go onto the front. And of course, I'm still using my little tape trick when I paint things. Now I got back into my little box of wood beads and thought those would just be so cute on the back side, and that way you can use it, like I said, in your bathroom to put your cotton balls and Q-tips and makeup pads in. There's the wood glue I was showing that you might want to use that to glue things on, especially if it's going to be in the bathroom because of the steam. But aren't they adorable?